Alright, stay your boy Big Tank from Double South, and this video we want to design this website where you see for you. So if you look at now, we get the header, we get the logo, then we'll get the navigation, then all this fine design the day now. So every single thing now we'll design for this website. We will go the website now bit by bit, because now we know if you do all of one video now, so we'll cut the video into different parts until we reach the ending. So we'll design everything where you see for here now. So I can show now how to use different CSS style. Now just HTML CSS, not be this one. I will show you how to use different styling to achieve something like this. To get all these fine things now. I go show now. So this one will be like section, it'll be like say like a showroom now, something like that now. Where you see they scroll the different pictures. So if you click up now, you go enter the next picture, click down, you go the next one like that, or the previous one. Then they're going to show you their price and those kinds of things there. Then you see the way the form be now for the contact feed and everything. Now we will design everything exactly the way they see now. So man, not to talk too much now. We'll jump into the first part of the video. I see me your boy Big Tank, and follow me for this series. Man, carry on, I'm gonna see things. They get like the video, subscribe, and stay your guys see now here they happen steady. We're not they wrong, no shaking. Thank you.